Hello everyone, thank you for once again tuning into my YouTube channel. Save Green here. If you haven't done so already, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We'll notify you whenever we come up with another video in the future. And since our channel has been working on ways to save you money, we've done this in the past for what I'd say just about a decade or so. And it's been a little while since we posted a video. And this is something that really is dear to our heart, near and dear to our heart. And that's the fact that, sometimes you start looking at how expensive groceries are getting and how everything is going up in price. And you got to find out a way to save money. Of course, couponing and stuff like that is always going to be a good thing. But one thing that you're probably doing that we were doing is you're throwing away food that is left to spoil after days of not consuming it. And not because you intended it to be that way, but you just didn't keep track of time and all that. So it happens so fast. In this day and age where we use the internet and AI and all that, you can ask your phone, how long can I store, for example, spaghetti after cooking it, and it will tell you how long. And then you look at how long you've had it in the refrigerator. Let's say you made it on like Sunday night, and here we are on Friday, and depending on what it is that you cooked, and 5 or 6 days later, and you ask, and you get the response that, yeah, you can't, it's got a shelf life of like maybe 3 or 4 days, and it's already on day number 6, you got to throw it out. So this machine, this little nifty machine that we got is supposed to take care of that issue for us. I'm going to unbox it and show you what comes with it. Now, they have a different variety of these. They have the one that also, same company too, has the lids for mason jars. And in our particular situation, we use a lot of Ziploc bags. So it's something that was like easier for us to transition into. And that's this system that includes the containers, because again, we also used Tupperware containers. We're used to using that to store our food and so forth. So this one has that, and it also brings the bags. You can buy more bags if you wish, because they do recommend that you continue reusing these bags for fruits and vegetables. And then they also do tell you not to do so for meats. And I think I remember seeing that somewhere in here. Okay, yeah, here it is. Tips. Do not reuse meat vacuum packaging bags. Fruits, vegetables, dried fruits, or even breads can be reused after washing. So that's the verdict on that. So let me tell you what you're going to spend on these, just so you get an idea. If you buy the high-end ones, like brand name ones, it'll cost you anywhere from $250 to $300 for the set, for the kit. You could also buy those large, bulky vacuum sealer bags. They're just, they take up so much space on your kitchen counter, or if you put it underneath the cabinetry, it takes up a lot of space also. This is more compact. I'm guessing before I even open this that it's going to be like the size of a large cup, And this pretty much does the work for you for the bags and for the containers. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open it. And you see here that is a one-touch operation, easy to use. It's portable, like I mentioned, and then it stops automatically when it senses no more air being drawn out of the item. So let's go ahead and see it. And it is protected fairly well. These are bags. I'm going to set everything off to the side, get it out of the box, just so I can get the box out of the way. And then we'll just go over everything. Oh my, this is actually smaller than I thought. Okay, so these are like the little containers, the food storage containers. Got some more literature there. This is the charger cable. And that is everything. Now it does bring this, which I'm going to leave here as well, and just drop the box onto the floor. Okay. The storage containers come within each other, just so it can be shipped easier, just like you see here. And these are the 3 lids. So you got the small lid for the small container, medium lid, and large lid. According to the information on the box, I'm going to read it straight from the box, or show it to you there. You have these 3 containers. The smallest one is half a liter. So if you're used to like measurements in liters, think of a Pepsi or Coca-Cola 2-liter bottle. The large container is exactly 2 liters. So if you were empty a soft drink 2-liter bottle, it'll fill this whole entire container. That's the largest one. Medium one is 1 liter, which is half of that, and then the smallest one is half a liter, which is half of the medium one. Okay. As far as the vacuum bags, these are the vacuum bags here. They do come with 2 different sizes. One size includes 7 vacuum bags, 11.8 inches by 13.8 inches. Then the smaller bags are 8.7 inches by 11.7 inches. Also brings 7 of those. So you get 7 of each. Let me show that to you there. 7 of these, 8.7 by 11.8, so almost a foot. And then here, almost a foot by 14 inches, so about a foot and 2 inches, or maybe foot and 3 inches almost. So you get 7 of each. Again, you can always order some more. Okay? Put that on the floor. How do the bags work? Again, I'm unboxing this. I've seen videos. When I'll send you the link, you'll be able to see the videos of how this stuff works. And this is the first time that we're going with this. In my estimation, I mean, I did a little calculation. We're throwing away, it's almost shameful to say it, about $20 of food a week. And that's $80 a month. And this system costs you about $60. So depending on how much food you throw away, if you're a larger family, you're probably throwing away a lot more food than we are. So here are the bags. If you're familiar with Ziploc bags, it's the same concept. So you have your zipping system here. It does provide you with this. So when you put the vacuum here and it draws out the air from the inside, you can just use this little guy here, and it will make it easier for you to close it and seal it. When you use it, just like a regular Ziploc bag, open it here, and it'll let the air out. As long as you're putting the same thing inside here, you can, once again, that's why I say they're reusable. Put your vacuum here, and you still got your food in there. So let's say you're putting, strawberries in here, and you want to eat like 4 or 5 strawberries. Just zip it again, make sure it's airtight, put your vacuum there, and you just sealed it again. You can keep reusing it over and over and over again as long as they're fruits, according to what I read to you earlier. When it comes to meat, they are not recommending that. So I will just stick to what they recommend. These are the smaller bags, same concept. You got 7 of the big ones, 7 of the small ones. Let me put it off to the side. And then we're gonna go into what else is in there. You got the containers here. So just for reference, I have really large hands, and this is the small one, which is half a liter. It's not glass. So this is something that a lot of people sometimes are afraid of, is glass, especially with little ones and children and all that. So this one here, as you can see, it is a high grade plastic. It doesn't look cheap at all. Basically, you're gonna put your cover on it. Okay, just like so, and then you're gonna put your vacuum in there and draw the air out. Here's something really cool we noticed. You have a system on top here that lets you select the month. Up here, it goes from 1 to 12. So let's say you're in May, you would put it on 5, and then down here, you can also select the day of the month that you're in. So let's say May 16, and you don't have to put labels on this. So the stickers that I showed you are for the bags, but these guys here, This is permanent. You don't need to buy stickers for this. And then you can keep track of what month and day you put the contents in there. I think that's really cool. So once you draw the air out, all your food in here is going to be very fresh. It'll last, according to the box, 10 times longer than what it would regularly last you if you just stuck it in the fridge, put in a Tupperware container or Ziploc bag, for example. If you do the quick math, if it lasts you 4 days, refrigerator shelf life as far as the food, and now you put it in here, it'll last you 40 days. That's pretty awesome. You're not going to be throwing away food, I guarantee you. So that's that. Now, same principle applies to using the larger ones. Each one of these has a lid that came with it. And then of course you got the very large lid for the very large 2-liter container, okay? Now let's put these a little bit to the side here and show you the actual vacuum machine, because I just turned it on right now while I'm taking the plastic out. But again, it's not very large. This fits anywhere. You can put this anywhere. You can leave it on your countertop just to remind you that it's there, so you can remember to keep your food fresh. You could store it underneath, however you want to store it, but it's not very large. It fits anywhere. It is wireless, which is something I really like. You don't have to have it plugged into the wall. And it does come with a USB-C charger. So you can charge it whenever the battery goes low. You got your USB-C connector down at the bottom where you would plug this guy in there. And then you got your USB, standard USB, so you just need the plug. Now, if you have one of these that has a USB-C on this end and USB-C on another end, and you have the plug for that, you can use it. It'll charge it. And pretty self-explanatory. You press the button, it'll begin vacuum. It'll automatically shut off when it reaches a point where it knows, I guess, that there's enough air being drawn out, but you can manually stop it as well just by pressing the button. That's really cool. I like that. Pretty awesome. Okay, something else that they include, and again, you can buy more labels anywhere. You can get them at the Dollar Tree, dollar store. Just, you can put what you have in there and the date that you put it in there. I thought that was a good idea as well, just so you're keeping track of how long the contents that's in there has been in the refrigerator. Sometimes we forget. We just forget when we consume the food. You know, another thing that we end up throwing away sometimes, and you might be doing that as well too, is when you go out to dinner, when you go out to eat, and you go to a nice fancy restaurant and you get a doggy bag, take stuff home. You know, that's a good meal you just had. And if you find out like 5 days later that you should have only kept it in there 3 or 4 days, you got to throw that out to the trash it goes. But with this system, you can keep it fresher longer. It's almost like you're pausing time, so to speak. So it does bring a little manual with it as well. Again, I'm opening it for the first time, so I'm going to look through this later on myself and get everything in there. I don't know what this is. Let's take a look. If you guys are intrigued, I'm intrigued myself. It looks like if you want to gift this to someone. I thought that was really cool. This is wrapping paper, and you can make your own bow. Wow. We're gifting ourselves this, so I'm not going to worry about this. But we can use it for something else. But if you want to gift this to someone, they're already giving it to you, so you can just wrap it up and give it to someone. Pretty cool gift. Okay, so again, I wanted to show this to you because if you do the quick math of what you're throwing away in food every month and you multiply by 12 months in a year, it's probably hundreds of dollars. Think about how expensive food is today. What a couple hundreds of dollars will do for you at the grocery store. It's probably one trip or 2 trips, 3 trips, depending on the size of your family. This here is about 60 bucks. The whole system, everything you see here, $60. So I'm going to post a link in the description. If you want to go ahead and get it. I strongly recommend it because, again, that's what we do. We want to save every penny that we earn. And our channel is dedicated to save you money as well. So let us know in the comments below what you think, if you already purchased it or if you have something similar. They also, the same company makes the one for the mason jars, same vacuum. The lids are different, but if you're a mason jar person, you can make stuff on your mason jars last longer as well. So let us know in the comments below what your thoughts are, or if you have it, or if you've tried it, and we will see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.